The first step for making our sweet potato pie is to go over the ingredients that you'll be needing for this pie. Our first and most important ingredients are, of course, our sweet potatoes or yams. Now you want to have 2 medium to large size sweet potatoes, which are going to total weight be about 1 3/4 pounds. This will give us just enough of the potato flesh for our pie. We're going to have a touch of salt, 1 cup of heavy or whipping cream. We're going to use a cup of brown sugar, light brown sugar, for this sweetness in our pie. We're also going to need 3 eggs and 1 egg white. If you've made another recipe which uses egg yolks, then this is a great opportunity to use up that 1 egg white that you might have left over. For spices and additional flavoring, we're going to have cinnamon, ground mace, and vanilla. And if you don't have any ground mace and you don't want to go out and buy some for just one recipe, then you can also use a little bit of nutmeg or allspice instead. And if you happen to have a different taste in what you want for your spices, feel free to experiment with those as well. It's up to you on how you want your sweet potato pie to taste.